Guys, welcome to Learn School Online. In last video, I show you the basic JavaScript operator. Now we learn about JavaScript operator. So now we go back for the in previous video and redefine the operators. And operators perform some operation on single or multiple operands and produce a result. Let us take a single expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called the operator. JavaScript supports the following types of operators: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logic operator, assign operator, conditional operator, and others useful operators, type of, and others. We will use all these operators in the following video. Now we starting the coding with this using this all these operators. Hello guys, this is my bracket editor which is I use for the doing operator in which I use for showing you the JavaScript operators. Now we start. Now guys, I'm opening the JavaScript operator, text JavaScript. Now I'm starting the JavaScript code. I'm put the opening and closing JavaScript bracket and I'm type text JavaScript. Now I'm starting the code between this opening and closing script. Now I'm starting JavaScript operator. Now assigning one variable. Now 2019 var my age equal to 31. Now define two variables, now and my age. Now I'm calculating my birth year. So var my birth year. So put now minus my age, and I put the my birth year into console log. Now see what is the result. I open this HTML file in the Chrome browser and make it refresh one time. I go to console. First I clear this. The clear bracket property is clear all these previous console print. Now make it refresh. 19088. Now this is my birth year. Now I put what is my birth year. Now see what is my birth year, and I put one space. It look great. Now see what is my birth year. 19088. In this operator, using operator, I'm using now 2019 and my age 31. Now this print my age 19088. So this is a basic method. So this is a math operator in JavaScript. Now I start the logical operator with JavaScript. Now So what I do, I put a variable. Now I put a variable logic age. This is a variable. Now I put the logic age and equal to now minus my birth year greater is greater or equal to my age. Now I console dot log this. This is a logical operator example. After this, I put logical operator age. See, it is true. For doing this, I'm show you. I define a variable logical age and I minus the now. This 2019 to my birth year. This is 1988. Birth year value is 1988. So see, now is 1988 and now is 2019 and this is 1988. Is it greater than or equal to my age? Like now is 2019 minus 1988 is equal to or 1931. So it is this is a logical operator. You can make is less than like that, it equal to less than, or all these things you have to define in this area. Now this is a true. After this I show you how to assign multiple assignment in operators. I show you multiple assignment in operator. Now define two difference variable x and y. X is equal to 4 bracket 4 plus 5 and plus 9 divided by 6 plus 9 minus 3. Now I console log x. Now see what is the result. I put here also this is the x variable result. Now see what is going on. This is a variable 51. Now I am defining one more variables. Make it print in console. This is the x and sorry, I put this bracket. This is the value of x and y both. Now see. Something is error. I think I have some mistake. Oh, sorry. The both variables need to put a comma between these. So, see, this is the value of x is 51 and also y is 51. So, we can define multiple assignment operators with the JavaScript. The same value of these both variables x and y. So this is the multi-assignment operators in JavaScript. Now we discuss about the more operator in JavaScript. What is the more operator? Basically, the more operator is very basic and more good thing in JavaScript, like where z is equal to 5, and we do z plus plus, and we define console.log is equal to z. So what is the value of z? Is 6, because the z is equal to z plus 1 in this plus plus. Z plus plus means z will be 5, then it plus, and at 5 1, so it's 6. It's like that. The z plus plus equal to z plus 1, so its result is 6. It's like that. Z minus minus console.log equal to z. Now see what is the result. After that is print 5, because the z value of here is 6, so it's make 1 less. The meaning of the z minus minus is z minus 1. The z value here is a minus. The z value is defined above after plus is 6, so that is make 1 minus. So the result is comes 5. So all these I show you the logical operator, assignment operators, more operators, and arithmetic operators. Now I come back to my PPT. Now see the arithmetic operator we have using plus minus, and comparison operator we have used this greater than, and logical operator is if statement. We are using this logical operator in coming video. Assignment operator we have show you. Conditional operator is the if and else conditional operator which we are using in the next video. And the type of operators I show you. What is the type of operator? We have already show you the type of operators in the previous video. So thanks for watching my YouTube video, and I hope that you enjoy my videos. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more video updates. Thanks.